Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss atomic structure, EAPCET, APPYQs. So first one, Vijayawada FM radio station broadcasts at frequency of 103.4 megahertz, the wavelength of the corresponding radio wave. So what is the value given, what value was given here? Frequency of FM radio. What is the frequency is indicated by letter mu. So mu is equal to 103.4 megahertz. It is converted to hertz. Hertz means 1 megahertz is equal to 10 power 6 hertz. Next, the wavelength of the corresponding radio wave. So what is the wavelength and frequency relation? Mu is equal to C by lambda. So we want lambda. So lambda is equal to C by mu. C by mu 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or meter second inverse by frequency 103.4 megahertz. Megahertz means 1 megahertz equal to 10 power 6 hertz. 1 hertz means second inverse. 1 hertz means second inverse. So that equal to 3 into 10 power 8 10 power 6. 10 power 6 if it is in the numerator 10 power 8 into 10 power minus 6, that means 10 power 2. 3 into 10 power 2, 300 by 103.4. So what is the nearer value? Nearer value 2.9. So nearly 103 in 300, 2.9 times. So answer 2.9 meters. Second inverse cancel, 2.9 meters. So next question, which of the following electron arrangement does not obey Hund's rule? So 4 arrangements are given. Which is not obey Hund's rule? So what is Hund's rule? Pairing of electrons takes place after the each orbital is half filled or singly occupied. For example, here only one orbital is present. If 2 electrons are there, first one electron, next second electron is pairing. But here 3 orbitals, 3 boxes means 3 orbitals. In each orbital is first singly occupied, after that pairing electrons takes place. So it is correct. But it does not obey Hund's rule. It follows Hund's rule. Here 5 electrons, first 2 electrons are filled in s orbital. 3 boxes means p orbital. Each p orbital is not singly occupied. But according to Hund's rule, these 3 orbitals first half filled, next pairing of electrons takes place. So it is incorrect. Incorrect means it does not obey Hund's rule. So answer C. It is also correct. All are pairing. So it is pairing. After that each orbital is singly occupied. It is also correct. So wrong one is option C. Next, the de Broglie wavelength of an electron traveling with 20% velocity of light. So what we calculate here? The de Broglie wavelength formula, lambda equal to h by mv or h by mc, that equal to h. So answer in meters. If answer is given in meters, we have to take Planck's constant is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds by mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilograms. Velocity of light with 20% velocity of light. 20% velocity of light means 20 by 100 into velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So if you calculate these fraction, answer is 1.21 into 10 power minus 11 meters. You calculate this one. So answer 1.2 into 10 power minus 11 meters. So 1.2 into 10 power minus 11 meters. So next question. Next question. Which of the following electronic transitions in hydrogen atom will require highest energy? Which of the following electronic transition? 4 to 5, 1 to 2, 3 to 5, 2 to 3. So which one, when electron jumps from one energy level to another energy level, which one has highest energy required? For example, we know that electronic transitions are like this. The energy gap between one energy level to another energy level decreases from first energy level to infinite energy levels. Energy difference decreases. If it is first energy level to second energy level, energy difference is more energy required. Second to third, less energy. That means when compared to 1 to 2, 2 to 3 decreases, 3 to 4 again decreases, 4 to 5 again decreases. So 4 to 5, so very less energy gap difference. So energy is very less. N equal to 1 to 2, so higher energy. 3 to 5, so 3 to 5 also energy less. N equal to 2 to 3, energy also less. So highest energy required from the electron jumps from first energy level to second energy level. So answer is B. Very easy. Next, maximum number of electrons theoretically possible for an orbital shell with the principal quantum number n equal to 6 in an atom is. So maximum number of electrons, already we have one formula, maximum number of electrons in an orbit or shell is equal to formula 2n square. Here n indicates orbit number or shell number or principal quantum number. So that is equal to 2 into, so which orbit is given? The quantum number n is equal to 6. Principal quantum number n is equal to 6. That is 6 square. 6 square means 36. 36 into 2, 72. So answer C. Maximum number of electrons in an orbit or shell equal to 2n square. Maximum number of subshells in an orbit equal to n square. Different formulas. Next question. The de Broglie wavelength of a particle is 1000 nanometers. What is its momentum? De Broglie wavelength momentum. So what is the relation? Lambda is equal to h by mv. Mv means mass into velocity. Momentum h by p. So the calculate momentum, that implies p is equal to h by lambda. H value is taken in 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second by lambda. Nanometers is given. Nanometers is converted to meters. 1 nanometer equal to how many meters? 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 7 centimeters, 10 power minus 9 meters. That means lambda 1000 nanometers, 1000 into 10 power minus 9 meters. So 10 power minus 9 into 10 cube, 10 power minus 6. If 10 power 6 came from denominator to numerator, 10 power plus 6. 10 power minus 34 into 10 power plus 6. That means 10 power minus 28. So the answer is 6.625 into 10 power minus 28. 6.625 into 10 power minus 28 joule second. It is important, units are important here. Joule second meter inverse. So answer is 6.6 into 10 power minus 28 joule second meter inverse. Very easy one. So not this. Next question. A photon of wavelength 3000 angstroms strike a metal surface. The work function of the metal is 2.13 electron volts. What is kinetic energy of emitted electron? So it is photoelectric effect sum. So we know that photoelectric effect, when electron suitable frequency of light is hits on the surface of the metal, the electron is ejected from that metal surface. Extra energy is converted into kinetic energy. So what is that formula of photoelectric effect? So by using photoelectric effect, E is equal to W naught plus KE or E naught. Here W naught indicates work function or E naught indicates work function, or E naught is called as threshold energy. So it is incident light energy. So a photon of wavelength 3000 angstroms strikes a metal. E is equal to h mu naught otherwise W naught plus Ke. H mu means Hc by lambda equal to W naught plus Ke. So that implies we want kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to Hc by lambda minus W naught. So that is equal to H means 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second into C, velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by wavelength is equal to 3000 angstroms. That means 3000 into 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. So in meters 10 power minus 8 meters, because here joules, if you have to take joules, here the velocity of light is taken in meters, minus work function. The work function of the metal is 2.13 electron volts. 1 electron volt equal to how many coulombs? 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So if you calculate this one, so Ke is equal to, so if you calculate all the value, we have to get 2 electron volts. We have to get 2 electron volts. So calculate this one. So answer C. So if the uncertainty in velocity of electron delta V is 0.1 meter per second. If the uncertainty in velocity of electron is 0.1 meter per second, so delta V is equal to 0.1 meter per second. Uncertainty in the position, so delta x is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, delta x into delta P is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. If delta V is given, delta x into m into delta V. Delta P means momentum. What is the change in momentum formula? M into delta V. So m into delta V is equal to h by 4 pi m. So we want delta x. Delta x is equal to h by 4 pi m into delta V. So by 4 into pi value 3.14 into m value, mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into delta V 0.1. So if you substitute all these values, 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 by 4 into 3.14, that means 12.56 into 9 into 0.1 means 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 31, 10 power minus 32, 10 power minus 32. So 0.7 by 12.56 into 10 power minus 2. So this value nearly 0.7 is converted to 70 into 10 power minus 2. That means 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 4 by 12.56. 12.56 in 70, how many times? Nearly 5 times. 5 into 10 power minus 4 meters. So answer is 5 into 10 power minus 4. So answer C. So nearer values. So not this one. Next question చూడండి. Total number of angular nodes of orbitals associated with third shell. Angular nodes. So what are the formula for angular nodes? Angular nodes formula is formula equal to L. Simply it is L. L means it is a third shell of an atom. Total number of angular nodes. So in third shell, how many orbitals are present? 3s, 3p and 3d. For s orbital, L value 0. For p orbital, L equal to 1. For d orbital, L equal to 2. So total number means 0 plus 1 plus 2. So that equal to 3. So answer A. For radial nodes and angular nodes of a 4f orbital are respectively radial nodes and angular nodes. So already we have to learn angular nodes formula is L, radial nodes is formula n minus L minus 1. So radial nodes equal to n minus L minus 1. Angular node equal to formula L. So n minus L minus 1 for 4f orbital. For 4f orbital, n value is 4 because principal quantum number, that is 4th orbit. Next, for f, L value is f orbital, L value is 3. For s, L value is 0. For p, L value is 1. For d, L value 2. For f, L value is 3. 4 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So L value for f orbital 3. So 0 comma 3. So next, the energy required in electron volts to excite an electron of hydrogen atom from the ground state to the third state. Ground state to the third state. The energy required. So 1. If it is ground state 1, second one, third one, fourth energy level, n is equal to 4. So in ground state, the energy is formula minus 13.6 by n square. Minus 13.6 by n square. N means 1. So minus 13.6 by 1 square means 1 electron volts. In ground state, energy level is equal to minus 13.6. For second energy level, E is equal to minus 13.6 by 2 square. Minus 13.6 by 4, that equal to minus 3.4 electron volts. So here minus 3.4 electron volts, here minus 13.6 electron volts. Third, E3 is equal to minus 13.6 by 3 square, minus 13.6 by 9. So that equal to minus 1.51 electron volts. So in third energy state, minus 1.51 electron volts. So the energy required to excite an electron from hydrogen atom from the ground state to the third state. Ground state to third state. What is the difference here? Minus 1.51 minus of minus 13.6. So minus 1.51 plus 13.6 and 0.2. 9 nearly equal to 12.1 electron volts. So answer is 12.1 electron volts. So 12.1 electron volts is required hydrogen atom from the ground state to the third state. Ground state to third state.